I know what an obstacle looks like. I know what's blocking my road. I know why the river stopped running. I know when it may be time to go. I see the glow of the exit sign. I try to quit while I'm ahead. I guess there's something here that's blocking out the light. I bet it's just like everybody said. They're just obstacles, they're just objects in the way. You don't always have to beat them, but make sure that they don't say. They're just obstacles, there's a challenge to be faced. So good luck with where you're going, 'cause I know that you'll get there someday. I know what a setback feels like. I've seen the rock roll down the hill, and the spring, it's always been receding. It only stops when I give in.